Good evening everyone. My name is Nivesh Kashyap. This is my second video regarding LLB entrance examination. Today my video is about Patna University, LLB examination. So today briefly, first of all I will discuss about the syllabus of the exam actually, because बहुत लोगों को एक्चुअली में सिलेबस का आइडिया उतना नहीं होता बिकॉज सिलेबस इज़ नॉट क्लियर इवन ऑन द वेबसाइट ऑफ पटना यूनिवर्सिटी बिकॉज सिलेबस जो है बेसिकली दे आर डिवाइडेड इनटू 3 पार्ट्स. द फर्स्ट इज जीके, सेकंड इज करंट अफेयर्स एंड थर्ड इज लीगल एप्टीट्यूड. So basically the students get confused between the, because current affairs they know what questions they will ask from the current affairs, but when the question arises the legal aptitude and GK, what actually GK consists of, what kind of questions they will ask in GK section, and if I talk about legal aptitude, what kind of questions they will ask in legal aptitude. So today I will clear all the doubts regarding the GK section and the legal aptitude section. So first I will just clear about GK section. GK section is about, generally they will ask the question from polity. There will be 25 questions from GK, 50 questions from GK, 25 from legal aptitude, 25 from the current affairs, total 100 questions, and 1 hour 30 minutes will be given to you. There is no negative marking. So out of 100 question, 100 marks will be given. So one question 1 marks each. So now let me tell you. So in GK section we have what they actually ask in GK section. GK section today I am going to, because I have given this exam in 2020 and I have secured all India rank 47th in this exam. So I have an idea what kind of question they ask in the GK section, because GK section consists of English as well, because many of you students are not aware that English can be asked in the GK section only. So yes, this is right. English, there will be 10 to 15 questions from English, that is in the GK section only, because GK section consists of 50 questions. So 10 to 15 questions from English, and even legal maxim, you would have heard legal maxims like damnum sine injuria, etc. kind of things. So these all questions are included in GK section. Apart from that, they will ask the question from history also, because not in deep like in 2020 they have asked the question regarding civil disobedience movement and non-cooperation movement regarding that. So just basic, and some static GK will be there, and even reasoning question, the logical reasoning question is a part of GK in Patna University examination. So this is all comprises GK actually. So don't confused about what I have to study in GK and all. So basically you have to study English, logical reasoning, and some kind of some part of history, modern history related to Gandhi and all. So all that. So easily you can do the remaining parts. So let's come to the legal aptitude. In legal aptitude they will ask you the question from polity and legal aptitude like IPC, torts, contract, because these 3 sections carries very limited 5 to 6 question will be there. Around more than 20 question will be from the polity, constitution, like fundamental rights, all this. So this is all about legal aptitude, and about the current affairs. Current affairs, generally they will ask you the recent awards and honors, appointments, recent judgments, etc. So this is all about the syllabus of this entrance examination. So now the question comes, what which books to refer for this exam, because even the question banks, previous year questions are not available regarding this exam, because they will take back your question after you give your examination. So no previous year questions are available in the market. So where to study, how to study, all these queries I will discuss today. So you don't have to bother much about it, because very if you see the syllabus, there is nothing much to worry about. Because if I talk about the books, first I will show you which books you should refer. First there is a book called single की book आती है, basically this is for DU LLB, but from the legal section, the legal section of that book and the constitution, it will be the same. So not to cover from any book, constitution you can come from any book, whatever you wish to know that. So legal and करंट अफेयर्स आप कर सकते हो, लाइक मेनी मैगजीन्स अवेलेबल हैं मार्केट में, वीडियोस यूट्यूब पे बहुत सारी हैं रिगार्डिंग करंट अफेयर्स, तो यू कैन कवर फ्रॉम देयर. सो बेसिकली मैं यहाँ पे आया था आपको बताने के लिए. एंड वन मोर थिंग लास्ट में मैं आपको बताना चाहता हूँ दैट आई हैव रिटन अ बुक रिगार्डिंग ड्यूल एलबी विच इज़ फॉर ड्यूल एलबी एक्चुअली, बट दैट बुक कंटेन्स ओनली पॉलिटी एंड लीगल एप्टीट्यूड विच विल surely will be beneficial for your exams as well, because this is we have covered the legal aptitude, IPC, contract torts in short notes. We have given the questions like regarding family laws, IPC, etc. also, and apart from that we have covered constitutional part of the syllabus as well. Because let me show you this book. So this is the book, you can see. This is, I'll show you the first. So this was the first edition. Actually this is the second edition. I have included notes in this book. So this is, you can see. We have provided notes, chapter wise questions also. We have provided a mock test as well. Just you can see, this is the book. Just you can see the back side of this book, cover side. This is called, and the link we have provided in the description box. You can just check this book. If you find it relevant, you can just buy it. Otherwise, whatever you are studying, just stick to it, because because dates are not announced yet. So maybe I can't say because when the examination will be held or no, because even application forms are not out. So hope it may get released in the last month of September, and so examination will be most probably in the month of October, November, because last year it was held in December. So maybe this year the same situations is prevailing, so we can hope the examination at least in October month. So prepare hard, just focus on what I have shared with you. So all the best. Thank you.